Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving any open work and closing every Office application. This prevents corruption. Once done, open Task Manager and force stop WinWord. EXE, Excel, EXE and similar processes to remove hung instances. Make sure to verify your Office version and license in settings so the repair targets the right build. Then create a quick backup of critical documents, cloud or external drive, so you can restore if settings change. Now proceed to the built-in repair tool in Control Panel. Open Programs and Features, select Microsoft Office, and choose Quick Repair. It fixes common file issues without network use. If problems persist, run Online Repair, which reinstalls core files. This fixes corrupted binaries. Next, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to detect license or configuration errors. If that tool flags component failures, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and the NET runtime versions Office requires. Make sure Windows Update is current so dependencies match Office expectations. If Office still stops working, create a clean Windows user account and test there to rule out profile corruption. This is quick and revealing. Before editing the registry, back it up, then remove Office-related keys to reset preferences. If those steps fail, perform a complete uninstall using the Support Uninstall tool, reboot, and reinstall the latest Office build from your account portal. One key troubleshooting tip: check Event Viewer and capture the Office crash error code. Search that code to target any remaining driver or add-in conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.